Hey guys, good morning and welcome to Forex Trading, your trading group. I'm Cram, my partner is Cash and Millzone, and we're here to teach you guys everything day trading in these markets to start making you profitable on a daily basis. A quick disclaimer, you guys, we are not a buy or sell channel. Let me repeat that. We are not a buy or sell channel. We use technical and fundamental analysis to find potential opportunities in these markets to bank pips, which we then convert into money. All right. So if you're looking for someone who's going to tell you to buy now or sell now, you are on the wrong stream, and you may with all respect, get off the stream. But if you're looking for someone who's going to teach you how to trade these forex markets the profitable way, and of course, if you want to learn the forex strategy, then stick around because that's exactly what we're going to do. All right, and just another thing, guys, we're not financial advisors, so any risks that you take upon yourself. We're in very, very choppy markets currently. Please don't be risking more than 1% on any given setup at any given time. You don't want to be over leveraging your account. It doesn't always work that way. Okay, so firstly, and anyone that's new on here, that's come on through the reminders, welcome. All right, just sit back, spectate today, see what it is that we do. I am here, and the rest of the community is here to answer all the questions that you guys have towards the end of the session. First watch, we scout these markets, all right? So we pretty much look at price action, we look at break of structure, we have our supply and demand zones marked out, and we just trade using those. We don't use any indicators. We don't use anything of that sort. We just trade every candle for what it is. Okay, so there is a little bit of a learning curve. If you're new on here, please watch, and I'm here to answer all of your questions by the end of the session, and we'll get you started trading with us. All right, so I'm going to quickly share my screen with you guys. Give me a second. Okay, I reckon you guys can see my screen now. Can you all see my screen? Chat. Yes. What's up, you guys? Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Daoud, KVN, Bad Rugrat, Zoltar, Cash, my love is back. Kyle, Rapid, Jay, Mills, my man. What's up, you guys? Good morning. I hope there are lots of good mornings over here. So if I missed anyone's name, a very good morning and a very good day to you guys as well, okay? So guys, this is what I'm looking at on gold. Listen, also today is an EU holiday, so I'm not expecting too much in these markets. If we get moves, we get moves. You all know us, okay? We don't chase any sort of moves in these markets. We just do what we're good at, which is analyze these charts, and we let the trades come to us, okay? So we're not going to force anything. If we naturally are able to get some trades, we will. If not, it's all good. There's always another day. We have another 4, 5, 6, 7. We've got 7 more sessions for the week. Not even counting this one. All right, we've got 3 London sessions and we've got 4 more New York sessions. Okay, and let's not be greedy. Let's not be fearful. Let's just try and get the moves that we're supposed to get. And if we're not able to get them, it's all good. Okay, guys, and please, I cannot put more stress on this. Do not be over leveraging your account. All right, straight up. I don't want anyone coming to me later and telling me that, oh, I thought it was going to play out and it didn't play out, or it played out after the stream. Like I said, we trade break of structure. Okay, so the levels that we give you guys can be traded even after the stream, as long as you guys are going to keep an eye on it. All right, it's one of the all our setups are going to be that way. When price gets there, it will have an effect. Okay. Great, 53 people. It's only the start, buddy. It's only the start. Trust me when I say that. But yes, we have a lot of new people on here, and I'm sure this number is only going to keep growing in an uptrend. My one-on-ones, you all know exactly what I'm talking about. Let's have those higher highs and higher lows, but all we're looking for is going right to the top. Okay, so this is what I have on gold for you guys, and naturally the sells are going to come on the break of our demand down here. Okay, one-on-ones, please be careful today, all right? I do have some extra opportunities that I'm seeing here for quick scalps, but there's a reason that I'm not putting them on today, okay? Firstly, it's a Monday. It's the start of the week. You guys know how that can be. Mondays and Fridays can be extremely daunting, all right? So we want to be careful of that, and there's a reason I'm giving you guys safer entries today, okay? Because my one-on-ones, you guys... Cram, please mention the entry exits real quick so that new people don't misunderstand. Okay, gotcha. All right, so simple. If you guys are going to be testing it out with us today, we have, well, my wife and I, we've built a strategy, the Forex strategy, and I'm just going to quickly run past it for you guys for the ones that are new on here. Okay, so this is where price is currently. as you guys can see. All right, that's where price is. Okay, this box up here is the buy box. All right, if it was here, this would be the buy area. Okay, and this box down here is our sell area. How are you going to take this trade? You want price. So say for instance, this is price and we're gearing up for the sells. Then you want price to come in the box. You want price to close in your box. You want to let price do a little retest, get rejected, and continue to push to the downside. Okay, so wait for the candles to close. If you guys are just going to be prematurely getting in, well, guess what? There's no difference between you and the retail traders then, okay? Because then you're basically just gambling these markets, okay? So wait for price to close. Of course, we have more advanced traders here, people on the one-on-one sessions. They do get in on the impulses. You guys will see me too. I am a pretty aggressive trader, but the reason I can afford to be aggressive is because my risk management is extremely calculated and I will never put myself or my account in any sort of risk, okay? My risk management is on point, and that's something that comes over time. It's something that you've got to build with practice. So my recommendation to all the new ones out here would be not to get in on that first candle that pushes. Rather, wait for price to close, retest, reject, and this should be our entry point when we break this area. Okay, so I'll guide you through it because I realize that we have new people on here today. Okay. All right, so fake outs. Okay, now let's make the adjustments over here. All right, because we've cleared a new level of We've created a new level of demand. All right, so let's have that just like that. And I'm going to switch this guy up completely. All right, I don't believe that the sell... you know what, I'm going to keep this here because I don't believe the sells could be coming in anyway. We could retest this area again, but we've got to see. We need to break that wick in order to get any sort of continuation moves, possibly down to 13 to 10, okay? If new, just watch. Absolutely. Just relax, take it easy. Grab some popcorn, grab a drink, grab some THC, grab whatever it is that floats your boat, and just watch, all right? Have a good time today, and you can start to really apply your brain to it once you see what it is that we do. THC. Yes, sir. Okay, give me a quick second, you guys. My camera just went off on me. I just need to get that fixed up. Also, highest attendance on Zoom today. All right, so I just want to take a quick second and thank you guys. We have, I think, about 60 people, which is lovely. So for all of you guys that are new on here, welcome. And thank you so much for joining us here at Forex Trading. Cool. So we're getting... Give me a quick second, you guys. Okay. All right, so let's see. We could be getting a nice little bounce. It seems like we are picking up some demand from right here. The RSI is showing us potential bullish momentum as well. The dirty could still continue bearish. Okay, so I have no problem as long as the dirty closes within our box and then maybe gives us a little bit of a retest. And I wouldn't mind getting in on that. Okay, let's bring our buy box here. I'm going to give you guys a safer entry, okay, because we're super close to market open. For the ones that don't know, we have the Wall Street market open in the next about 5:20, all right, 5 minutes and 20 seconds. So we're just being careful. We usually don't prematurely get into any sort of trades. So we're just going to wait for price to do its thing. And if we get any sort of confirmation, that's when we're going to get in, okay? So much better than Discord. All the way, buddy, trust me. We've had so many issues with Discord, you have no idea. All right, and I like the nasty buys where they're at. Maybe we break past here, and we could look to go and test out a supply zone up there, okay? On NASDAQ. And Goldilocks. I like the zone fill, I'm not going to lie. I do feel this could be a quick scalp in case we break down from here, but look at that. You need to ask yourself, all right? About 4.5 minutes to market open. Do you want to risk your lots for about 20 pips, or do you want price to break and give you a clean break of structure and, of course, respect the strategy, okay? So you've got to take it easy. You've got to sort of... listen, these markets are not in our control, okay? All we can do is try to bring the odds into our favor. How do we do that? By having the right risk management. You guys don't worry. You guys don't have to worry about the analysis because we're here giving you guys the analysis every single day, twice a day, all right, for London and New York. But you guys are going to be taking your own trades. We're here to educate you guys. We're here to teach you guys. We're here to guide you guys, mentor you guys, all right. But we're never going to be a copy trade service. Trust me when I say this, okay? So we don't believe in shortcuts in these markets. If you really, really want to crack this the right way, it's straightforward. You need to learn how to trade these markets, and I've been told that I'm a really good teacher at just that. Okay, so let's have a positive mind and all right, and we'll then take it from there. Well, I was just checking it out, man. I was speaking with someone the other day and just looking at some potential opportunities based off of TA, but never mind. Close without saving. We don't need to save that. Okay, so we've got about 2.5 minutes to market open, you guys. Yeah, yeah. I've been analyzing it, and it's respecting TA, man. Why the US 30 I have got different price with Cram? That's a good question, okay? For the people that are new on here, the price isn't going to be the same, all right? Just because every broker has different liquidity, different commissions, different spreads. So the price on all of these charts are going to be different, okay? However, what you need to look at is price action. So I have this line, my 5 minute resistance. Okay, I have to change that. It was resistance support when I marked it up at 2024.616. If you find 2024.616 on your chart, I promise you it's going to be different. Okay, that's because the liquidity with my broker and your broker or the chart that you're on is different. What are you supposed to do? You're supposed to look at price action. Find this candle, find this area on your chart and mark it up accordingly, okay? All right, so the dirty is giving us a little bit of an impulse. I'm going to consider this an impulse for market open. Let's maybe see if we want to get a retest rejection of the move. All right, but this is what I was talking about, you guys. We need to break like we're doing right now. We need to break. We need to retest, reject, and then push to the downside. Okay, so I'm going to test out maybe a little bit of a feeler, you guys. I'm getting in on a dirty feeler. I like the move that's potentially coming in. All right, just a feeler. I'm getting in with $1 a pip. All right, I'm going to have my stop loss all the way up here for the dirty. And if this goes against me, it's going to be $1 into 25 pips, which is about $30 with commissions and all of that good stuff. Okay, so I'm not stressing about that. If it goes against me, it goes against me. All right, it's only a feeler. That's the point of a feeler. All right, is anyone in any sort of trades, you guys? Anyone in on anything right now? Are you watching? This question is not for the new ones, of course. This question's for my one-on-ones and our OG traders on here. I love Cram's charting because it's all visual. I never bother with the price. Yeah, man. I'm a very visual person. I could never read books. I could never do anything of that sort. I kid you not. Cool. We've got market open in the next 5 seconds. Let's have a good one, you guys. By the way, I am running on this with a small position because it's only a feeler. Let's see if we get a retap. Boom! I'm up by about. I quickly went up for about 20 pips, and now I'm back. Let's see if we want to break that, okay? And I still haven't gotten in on my bigger position, all right? 20 pips on this move to the downside, but I'm waiting. What am I waiting for now? I'm waiting for price to break that low or potentially break this low, and I can get the wick fill. Where's my stop loss for the sell? It's right there, okay? Because we don't want to pick up demand from here, and we don't want to push all the way back up, all right? Look at the gap up that Nasty did right now. That's nasty, okay? This gap up means that price is most likely going to continue to push to the downside. So let's see. I'm going to set a hard stop loss on my feeler right here, you guys. I don't want to break past that so that in case we happen to push to the upside, I'm going to start gearing up for the buys. But so far, nothing on Goldie. Choppy, choppy gold. All right, let's see. Let's see, okay? I may have that as my entry as well, one-on-ones. Could have a nice little wick fill, okay? Or if you want to be safer, wait for price to break that. Straightforward. Okay? I just got in with a position, you guys, and I'm running right now. We've almost hit TP. I'm up by about 1,800, 2,400. There you go, 2,700. I'm changing this to break even really quick. 3,000. I just picked up 3,000 on this. 3,740. I'm on a break even trade right now. Awesome. I'm on a break even trade, you guys, and I am freaking running on this. 57 freaking hundred, 9 grand. I just got 9 grand on this and I pulled it out. Boom! Who got that with me? This is what we do at Forex trading every single day. We came down, we hit TP. I want to see W's in the chat. Respected the strategy beautifully. Literally, it's still freaking dropping, you guys. All right, so I took my profits out. I'm not going to be greedy. You guys know me. All right, I took out, fucking hell. I thought I closed it at 9,000, but apparently it closed out at 6,900. But I'm not complaining because this is 6,900 I did not have before this session. I'm literally done trading for the day. I want to see goddamn W's in the chat. I just said chat. I want to see W's in the chat. Let's put on some W's. I want to know how many of you guys caught that. Beautiful move, still freaking dropping. Lovely, lovely. Very nice, but no idea how to even initiate the trade. Go on to, do we have Forex Academy on the new server, Milzone? We'll get that figured out for you guys, okay? Just give me a bit. If you go on to Project Whitelist, we have Forex Academy. Fucking hell, look at that move on. Oh my God, I pulled out my position, guys. Y'all know me. I am not a greedy trader, like I told y'all. I'm an aggressive trader, but I take what's mine and I get out. Straight up. I take what's mine and I get out, okay? Because these markets, they don't owe us nothing, all right? We're really, really tiny fish in a large ocean full of sharks, and all we have to do is find our way through them and not get eaten by them, okay? So I take what's mine and I get out of these markets. This could fall 100 more pips, and I don't care because I made what I had to. I'm up by 7 grand on this guy. 6,900. Boom. All right. Is it hurting me that I could have been up by about 25,000 right now? Yes. It's hurting me. It's hurting my account. I'm not going to lie. But am I going to gamble these markets or am I going to trade these markets? The answer is always going to be I'm going to trade these markets. All right. And that's exactly what I did. Pull out my profits. I'm a happy man. I'm done. How do you make such gains? If you said you'd only lose 25 if it went the other way, or did you enter with a higher position once you saw certain candles? Yes. So the way we trade, we use something called feelers, which are just tiny positions that we use to test out the markets. Okay, so I'm currently trading a 450K account, and I enter in with $1 for that position. All right, so if it goes 25 pips against me, that's going to be $25. But then when I have a candle close and it does what I said it should do, which is, as you can see here, we have the close, we have the retest, we have the rejection, and we have the break of previous structure. This is where my fat position, and we like to call that our Lambos. This is where we got in with our Lambo, and that was $300 a pip. All right, so I caught 20 pips on 300. More than 20 pips, and this move was a 74 pip move. So I got 20 pips out of this 74 pips. I hope that makes sense. Lovely, man. I think a lot of you guys have already hit TP with this. For the ones that are new on here, it's all good, man. Listen, this happens every single day. I kid you guys not. This happens every single day. It usually happens twice a day. All right, so don't feel lost. It's all good. You just need to spend some time with us, and you're going to be here. I promise you that. If Nasty closes above the 5-minute resistance, it'll be a buy. Yes, but you don't want to trade this chop, man. Look at this chop. I still need to learn layering positions. That takes time, brother. That's advanced. Lol, totally lost. Well, get on, buddy. Get on. Everyone that started here, literally 99% of people that started here, started as beginners. They got on the sessions every single day. They've put in the time, they've put in the grind, and we have people that are successfully trading $300,000 accounts right now. It's up to you, man. You want to jump in? Now's your chance. Okay, Nasdaq's breaking down as well. There you go. But that's a critical level of support that we have sitting right there. Okay. Just got to get used to pips and all. Coming from a non-trading background, you seem like an insane teacher, though. Well, I'm not going to beat my own horn, but that's what people have told me, that I have a way of teaching these markets. We also do private one-on-one sessions. So if any of you guys... Also, we're booked by how many weeks right now, babe? 6? We're booked by 6 weeks right now, okay? So if anyone wants to book up a private session or private sessions, the next available date is going to be, I think, June 20th or June 22nd, right? So if you guys want to get booked up, on the new server, we definitely are going to be, I think we're already working on it. We're going to make it easier for you guys, but that's probably going to take a little bit. So message us, message Cash, message me for now, and we'll keep you guys updated with the tickets or whatever you call them. Did you use a limit order or instant execution? Market execution, buddy, all the way. He's the best teacher. Thank you so much, babe. For the ones that are new on here, for the ones that don't know, CashFX is my business partner and also my partner in life. And she trades London market open for you guys every single day. And she's going to be there tomorrow as well for the London market open. Just like I stream New York, she streams London. They're extremely undervalued. That's all I can tell you. I don't want to put on the prices over here. If you could just message Cash on Discord, or just put in your Discord username, and Cash will get in touch with you. We'll talk to you about it over there. But we have 130 plus people on the one-on-ones, and not one person has told me that these sessions aren't undervalued, all right? Because we're not doing this for the money. Trust me when I say this. We don't need the money from the one-on-ones. But it's just that my mentor once told me, if you're bloody good at something, never do it for free. We respect the time and the effort that we've put into these markets, into learning these charts, and it's why we charge an extremely nominal fee to pass on what we have created to you guys, because it changed our lives, and we're more than certain it can change yours, and so far, we've been changing lives. The Nasty Queen. Can you check Goldie for us real quick? Sure, Jeffrey. Oh, thank you. Sorry, I'm done trading for the day, which is why I didn't even look at gold, but gold's doing it now. All right, so this is the impulse on gold. Okay. Nasty W, congratulations, my man. W on gold right now, Jeffrey. There you go. Wow, gold. Just a quick one for me today. Made my 0.5. Appreciate you, Cram. I wanted to get on. I'm glad I did. I'm moving out of my apartment tomorrow, so got to finish packing. Cheers, brother. Best of luck. See you on London. All right, so a minute and 20 to go. I'm not taking any more trades, you guys. I'm literally done for the day. 7 grand for me is past my profit target. I'm happy. Is anyone still anyone still in on these trades? What's happening over here, even if you didn't realize your profits, you're still not at break even, okay? Because your break even would be somewhere here, but this is your chance, all right? If you're still holding on to this trade and you don't have it with a break even stop loss, now's your time, man. Now's your time, all right? You want to have a hard stop loss, because if this starts to push from here, listen, we're scalping these markets, guys. Our trades are a minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes. Trust me, a lot of people do not do this because it's way too risky, and it's way too risky to be doing live. It's also because they don't understand these markets the way we do, all right? So you wanna make sure that you know the trades that we get in for are usually for a couple of seconds, a couple of minutes. We like the adrenaline rush, okay? We like getting in, we like getting out really quick, we like making what's ours and taking it out of the markets, okay? So this trade is one and done. Yes, it could complete, it could push down even further, but we need to realize the solid demand that we're coming into right over here at our daily support. Okay, and the impulse hits TP on Nasty. And let's see what gold does, all right? We've got about, the new candle opens up right now. Let's see if we get a little bit of a retest, and maybe we have the momentum to push down even further. Akeem W, congrats, man. Tim, wow, gold. Guys, Cash just told me she has how many friend I think she's gotten about 3 friend requests. I would appreciate you guys if y'all could message and let her know, just so that we know it's just not friend requests, but it's people that are inquiring about the one-on-ones. And after the session, she will get back to you on that. Okay, make sure to message her. Not for me, for you, lol. Yeah, man. Every day is a W for us, buddy. W on nasty. Lovely. They call my wife the nasty queen. Fuck, I just realized that doesn't sound good at all. But yeah, that's what they call her. She literally she trades Nasdaq like no one I've seen before. And I can guarantee you, like no one you guys have seen before. Yeah, she's pretty crazy with Nasdaq. All right, so fake out on gold, okay? Oh, look at Nasdaq. Fuck. Trust me, guys. We break this. It's gonna be really hard, but we break this, and this thing is tanking, man. We're pushing down at least till 200. Easy if we break this, okay? Psychological 200, but again, that's gonna be super hard to break. I'm running on nasty. Lovely. Good stuff, man. Okay, Nasdaq's attempting. I'm starting to see the formation of a potential bullish reversal pattern, but I also like the crossover from the 70. We're starting to go oversold. Fuck that. Look at that potential death cross. Okay, now we need to make sure that's not a fake out, but the EMAs have crossed over. What is a death cross? It's when the 9 EMA crosses the 200 EMA moving to the downside. That's a death cross. Okay, and that usually means that the move has already happened, but it's always a good indicator to sort of try and catch before the actual move happens. Yo from Llama, what's your watch list on Forex? We trade Nasdaq, we trade the Dow Jones, we trade gold, we trade GBP USD, and we sometimes trade. With the foreign exchange pairs, we usually only do GU. We're more into the indices. Okay, so that's the retest on gold. Let's see if they want to hold. What I like to do at this time is I like to turn our box, flip it to supply, because that's where the sellers are potentially going to be sitting right now. Let's see if they respect that. As you can see, they are. But if we break past here, then they're most likely pushing up here. Let's see though, okay? If they respect the supply and start to push down, then maybe the bearish move could still have a continuation to the downside. All right, guys. Quick. I need something for you guys. Okay, one of the guys from the community is gonna put on a YouTube link. Okay, so I want you guys to go on, help us beat this algo. Make sure you like the video. Again, we're not really active on YouTube, but yes, it's something that we aspire to be in sometime. Help us beat this algo. Just make sure to go ahead and just hit like, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. All of the educational content is going to be out on YouTube. Okay, so all the videos that we put about teaching you guys about these markets and our strategy and the technical analysis that we do, the top-down analysis. A lot of you guys must be wondering what these lines are. This is what we know. This is what we call the top-down analysis, where we start all the way from the daily time frame, and then we find our key levels of supply and demand, and we work our way down to the 5-minute chart where we scout these markets. Okay, so we're gonna have videos on all of this good stuff, and if you guys want to be kept up to date with that, then make sure to go and book that. All right, look at nasty. Any position you're open on right now? Nobody. Nothing. I'm out of everything. Dirty is all over the place. Yeah, man. We caught the move that needed to be caught, Jeffrey. That was the move that we needed to catch, and that's exactly what we caught. We don't care about it no more now. We're done. Okay, gold pushed right back up. Gold picked up demand from here, pushed right back up. All right, that's solid. I like that close below our daily. Let's see if we hold and potentially push down further. Thoughts on EUR JPY? I'm sorry, we don't really trade EUR JPY on here. I could probably do it for you guys if you guys let me know before the session so that we can do a nice top-down analysis. But yeah, We don't do that on the regular. But of course, we're open to whatever you guys want us to do. Have you guys gotten the likes up? Y'all better have gotten the likes up, man. Listen, you're underrated. More people should watch your content. Thank you so much, Fly Nathan Air. Um, Trust me, man. People are gonna come. All right. The way we work in life is we don't chase things. We believe in putting in the hard work, and good things come to us. All right. That's what happened with forex trading for my wife and myself. It changed our lives. All right. And we used to chase profits. We used to chase money, and we never used to get it. The second we stopped running after the rewards that this career can give you, when we just started to focus on learning, on building our own strategy, that's when we really started making the money. All right, so we're just working hard, Nathan, and it's all going to come to us. But I really appreciate you, buddy. Thank you so much. We do EU sometimes as well. We do EU, GU. All right, Nathan, your comment deserves to be pinned to the stream. Glad I got out of the gold cell in the blue. Good, man. That was a fake out. 100% fake out. Oh, look at freaking dirty, man. They're still pushing. What a move, you guys. That's some move for a choppy day, huh? Lovely, all right? So that's a 115 pip move, guys. 115 pips and counting. I love how we caught that right at our BOS. It's freaking beautiful, man. All right, Nasty's pushing down as well. Is anyone still in on Nasdaq? Whoa! Look at the dirty, you guys. Look at Nasdaq as well. They're still freaking pushing to the downside. All right, this is intense, man. The dirty is beautiful today. Maybe I should have taken out partials. Right? Maybe I should have left a little bit of my position still running in these markets, and it's all good. I'm not complaining, though. Right? I hit my target for the day. I am good. All right, cool. So for the newcomers, any questions that you want me to clarify for you guys? Because this is what we do here at Forex, man. We come, we make our money, 30 minutes on these markets, and we're out. We move on with our lives, okay? So these sessions aren't very long. They're never going to be very long. Of course, when we do educational workshops, which we are going to be doing for you guys very, very soon, that's when we can sit down. That's when we can work through things. That's when we can talk about how to navigate through these markets. Those will be the longest sessions, but our market open sessions usually last anywhere between 30 minutes to an hour, okay? So if you guys have any questions, now's the time. If I'm trading a 1K account, how much would you be putting in? Buddy, listen, risk management is different for every account, okay? I can't be giving you guys lot sizes because you'll need to know how to use the risk management to use the lot sizes. So that's something that we work upon in the one-on-ones and the private mentorship program, but it's not something that I can just put it out because a lot of people could take that information and use it absolutely wrongly, which will wreck their accounts. Okay, buddy? How many times a week do you go live? We're live literally 10 times a week. My wife is live for London Market Open. She's going to be live for London Market Open tomorrow, and I'm live for New York every single day, you guys, every single day. I have been for the past, how long has it been, Mills? I think it's been about 8 months, 7-8 months. I've been live pretty much every single day for you guys. So this is something I've been doing, and it's something that I choose to keep doing for you guys. It just makes me really happy to know that we're making you guys money. It's what keeps us going, and of course, knowing that knowing that we can break down what the market makers try to do to the retail traders, knowing that and not falling into that trap literally wakes me up every morning. Trial and error on demo is the way. Absolutely. Even on the one-on-ones, whenever we have a beginner come on, I always tell them to first get on a demo account for the first 2 sessions, 3 sessions, just so that you can just because there's it's still falling. Just because there's a learning curve, guys. Listen, we do not advertise Forex trading as a get-rich overnight scheme, because it isn't. Literally. There's no easy way to make money in these markets. You have to put in the grind, guys. My story, both my wife and I, we're filmmakers. We're actors, okay? And we come from zero financial background. And we had the will. We still have the will. We got as much information as we possibly could from any source that we possibly could find, and we're here now. All right, so putting in the work definitely pays off. Okay, and you need to be on a demo account first, because even the terminal that we use, be it MetaTrader, be it TradingView, the chart that you guys are seeing here, there is a learning curve, right? You guys, you'll have to learn how to master the art of getting in and getting out of trades, because that's what's most important when you're scalping. All right, listen, we're not those swing traders, we're not those swingers, if I may. My bad if everyone is from the lifestyle, but we're not. All right, we get in, we get out, we do our thing, and we just scalp the shit out of these markets, which is what makes our entries and our risk management the most important. Okay. All right, so I guess we don't have any questions. Okay, we're good. All right, guys, and listen, we have 54 people here. We had about 60 plus, and the ones that left, they're missing out on this, all right? Because I am saying this with as much conviction as I possibly can, and I've been saying this for the past 8 months. The OG traders, my one-on-ones, you guys know what's coming, all right? But I've been saying this, and I mean it with every single vein in my body, every single cell in my body, all right? We're building an army of millionaires. It's your time now. Pull up your socks, get learning, join the sessions, and I promise you, this thing, Forex trading, if it's something that you end up cracking, you're going to be left with a hefty paycheck for the rest of your life, as long as you have access to your phone. All right, so if you want to experience that financial freedom that Forex trading gave us and has given so many people on the community already, just get learning, join the sessions, put in the time, put in the work, and we're here to push you guys all the way to the max. All right, thank you so much, you guys, my freaking army of millionaires. I'm so freaking proud of this community that we're building, and trust me, man, in the next couple of months, you guys are going to be hearing Forex trading, Forex trading, Forex trading every fucking where. All right, so thank you guys so much for the one-on-ones. Make sure to message Cash, letting you guys know there's a 6-week wait time. All right, if you guys want to skip past the wait time and you want to do the weekend course, we have an express package as well. Very, very, very limited slots. Okay, this is not something I'm going to be doing for too long. Maybe another month, a month and a half, and then I'm going to start releasing slots in batches. So if you don't get booked up now, there's a solid chance you're only going to possibly get booked up in the next 6 months. All right, so I really appreciate you guys. Thank you guys so much. Have a great rest of the day, afternoon, evening, night, whatever it is, wherever you are. And I'll see you guys for London tomorrow, okay? Watch the time and watch the schedule, and make sure that you guys are there, because trust me, man, London, those sessions are bangers. You guys need to see the way Cash FX trades. It's always a blast, and you guys are going to be making your pips there as well. All right, thank you guys so much. I'm Kram, my partner's Cash and Millzone, and this is Forex Trading, you guys. Signing out. I'll see y'all tomorrow. Bye.